The Dushi VIP card is taking me to... Hi, I'm Shavia. Exploring Curaçao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around. Throughout the years, I've explored the Christoffelpark by foot and by car. Never by jeep and never with a guide. With that said, I'm so excited to get this adventure started. Christoffelpark is Curaçao's largest national park. A big chunk of Curaçao's nature preservation can be found right here. All of it is combined with a rich history. The area can be explored through hiking trails varying from easy to challenging. Scenic car routes are also well liked, but I chose to explore it by jeep, a faster route with a better view. There is no doubt that the thing that makes Christoffelpark popular is the Christoffelberg, Curaçao's highest peak. Of course, climbing the Christoffelberg is a popular activity amongst tourists and locals alike. What most people fail to do is explore the area around the mountain. Our guide Wati took us to explore different corners of the park. I got to see the north coast, different viewpoints, a former copper mine, Indian paintings, a cave, and the Zorgvliet ruins, my favorite stop. Zorgvliet used to be a plantation house. Though it has turned into ruins, one can still see parts of all the important buildings and structures that were used by those that inhabited the area, including the slavery tower. In the past, the bell on top would ring to indicate the beginning and ending of a workday. Aside from all those fascinating stops, Wati took the time to teach us about the flora of Curaçao, including cacti, orchids, and aloe vera plants. The whole tour was a learning experience, even for someone that has lived here her whole life. Already planning to do the Jeep Safari? You can choose between a 2 or 4 hour tour. I recommend the 4-hour tour with the Dushi VIP card. I first started sitting down and slowly built up the confidence to really do stand-up paddleboarding.